India Today has also accessed the dossier on captured Pakistani terrorist Naved. The dossier that was prepared by the security agencies was to be handed over to Pakistan during the NSA-level talks, which were then called off by Islamabad. According to this dossier, Naved underwent 4 months of terror training at the Daur-e-Lashkar camp in Muzaffarabad in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. And before sneaking into India, Naved and 3 other terrorists were seen off by 2 top Lashkar commanders who came all the way from Islamabad. They also handed over arms and ammunition to both of them. The group then left the terror camp along with Muhammad Bhai, Mawaz, Abu Ali and one Ahmed. Then on May 25th, they arrived at the Halandit Mosque. After some days, they infiltrated into India. In fact, Muhammad Naved was then caught alive during the Udhampur terror strike, which took place last month. Well, Kamaljeet Sandhu joins us for more on this. Kamal, what more details do you have about this new Pakistan dossier, especially about the facts revealing about the Lashkar-e-Taiba connection to this?
India Today has accessed dossiers which India planned to give to Pakistan NSA. Now that meeting never took place, but we have that dossier, and if you can see, it says dossier of Muhammad Naved. Now what is important is the facts which have already been put in place in front of the media, but what is not known is the fact that is on page number 15, which talks about how that Lashkar-e-Taiba was deeply involved, not just in training, but also how 2 Lashkar commanders came all the way up to the LOC. Now it says that during 27th May 2015, Lashkar commanders came all the way to the LC, and remember the infiltration took place from Nuri Post. This is what is going to be really important, is not just the confession on Naved, but also on the GPS and how the entire system has found out the entire training session, whether it is starting from 180 trainees to winding up to 25, and all of them being trained by the top guns of Lashkar-e-Taiba. And towards the final push, when Noman came in, remember he was killed, and then came in Naved along with Muhammad Bhai and Abu Okasa. And remember, 2 of these terrorists are still very much at large. Their sketches have been released, the photograph has been released, but they continue to be at large. Now the dangerous point here is not just the training and the arms and ammunition, but also about the entire planning and plotting. And remember, this was an entire plan. They came with an open Hyundai car up to the LC where they were pushed in, and remember, each of them were given 50,000 rupees and number of arms and ammunition, including the GPS. Now this is the list that we're going to try and show it to you here. It talks about a wireless set, a compass, obviously a phone which was given, hand grenades, a cloth sheet, a black colored tracksuit, 1 pair of shoes and 50,000 Indian rupees. Now it's going to be interesting as to how they utilize that particular money, but also the fact that this was the evidence that India was going to give it to the Pakistan NSA. And remember, that meeting never happened, but India continues to have major evidence against Pakistan, major evidence against Lashkar-e-Taiba.